Well, there goes Matt backing up a two trail. I don't know if you can see it, but way back down in there's the 550. And that's what we're here to get. Because apparently that machine is cursed. There you go. Let's tear down! All right, we're walking down here, get the 650, and I'll give you an update on what happened with the 550. I'm not sure what order all these videos will come out, but water pump went out on the 550. This is the abridged version. Water pump goes out, have it rebuilt. Then the pulley slid on the shaft, which is technically not even possible, but it did happen. So bought a new pulley, had it pressed on there. The new pulley cost more than getting the water pump rebuilt. Thanks, John Deere. Then put it all back together. Tractor still run hot. That was when we discovered that the radiator had been slowly clogging over time. So had the radiator redone by an awesome shop in Marianna, Florida, Williams Radiator. They're awesome. So they redid my radiator, and let's check some motor mud. They redid the radiator. I had a leak on the oil cooler, had them go ahead and fix that too. Yep. So they did that, put it all back together. Then Todd over at Trucker Track got my new rails to me, got them put on. So all total, I had spent a pile of money on that 550, and I was gonna run it because I love that machine, love running that machine. Get it. Oh. Whew. Get it all done. Hook it to the Reynolds tree planter. Brought it out here. And mash. Why? Oh, it's telling me all kinds of things. Okay. Why? Duh. There we go. It is flipping cold this morning for Florida. It was 28 degrees. And I know. There's a lot of y'all that are like, 28 degrees, we go swimming in that. Well, we don't. It is a wet, humid, cold. And we don't like it. Anyway, on the 550, cooling system's redone, new rails and sprockets and pads and all that happiness, great big pile of money. And come out here and planted about 2 acres with it. About 2 acres. And left-hand final drive, when I was making a pull to the back, started popping. It actually felt like whenever you got bad pins and bushings. Well, those had less than 5 hours on them. So I knew that wasn't the case. Todd don't sell junk. So, stop, get off, no leaks, no heat. Could feel all over the final drive. Told my planter man, it's like, yeah, we just gonna walk it out to this 2 trail. It didn't even make it out to the 2 trail. Something inside the left-hand final drive, which is the one you watched be replaced, stripped out. Like a gear good and stripped. So me and cousin Matt are getting the dozer loaded up and the planter, and we're gonna take it to the house so I can work on it some more. Charlie, come on, get out of the rain. Come on. Let's watch Andy turn this over. Really hope he don't turn it over. That would be terrible. Good boy. Here we go. Left side ain't pulling. Right side. Oh, wow. Oh, there you go. There you go. Atta girl. Atta girl, Andy. Get that boy a prize. He did it. He really did it. Hey, you didn't die.
That wasn't near as dangerous as I thought it was going to be.
I was like, well, if he dies, he dies.
Well, I done made up my mind that if she decided to do something kind of crazy when we started coming backwards, what I was going to do is just let Jesus take the sticks. I ain't never heard nobody say Jesus take the sticks. Well, because what's her name was in the car. You wasn't on the boat? Worked out. Yeah.
I gotta get my truck out.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
We're Chris cutting in the other day.
He doesn't know. Yep. Yeah. I got it videoing right now.
Bad idea.
Shut it right down.
Bad idea.
Apparently that ground is what's called unstable.
Yeah.
It's full of quick.
Yep.
I'm gonna need some help.
Yeah. You well, my bulldozer only pulls one track. That might do it. We'll see.
Stop raining.
Nope. Nope. Come here, Charlie.
Oh yeah. Easy peasy. Just gotta have enough weight and enough horses. She's out.
Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. 550's back at the barn. We're going to tear into it next step and see if we can figure out what happened. Matt's out the mud, 550's at the barn. Thanks to Dave for coming and helping us get out of the mud hole we was in. And y'all tune in and watch us struggle some more. Thanks for watching.
Folks, it is wet right here in North Florida.